Meanwhile, the final initiation ceremony of Ekweozor Owulu Ebetete of Ozo Dr. Zubike Augustine Ekweozor Ozo Ejiamatuna Ebetete has taken place at his residence Agbana quarters Umuawulu, Okasa local government area with the symbolic Igba Owulu ceremony of Ozo Dr. Zubike Ekweozor, the founder of Ide Global Movement, popularly known as Ide Umuawulu, and his wife Ojefi Lolo Charity Ekweozor with the title Ugebe Ide Umuawulu. Njideka Okoye now reports.
Oze Jamat Nebetete, in company of his wife Ojefi, danced to the music, after which the chairman Ndiozo Ozo Nkem Anekie performed the function of Owulu on Oze Jamat Nebetete and his wife by putting the Owulus on their two legs. After much explanation on the do's and don'ts of the Igba Owulu. Speaking, the Anambra Commissioner for Environment, Dr. Felix Odumegwu, stated that Oze Jamat Nebetete deserves such title, describing him as a philanthropist, a man of open heart that cares for everyone around him, and a caliber of person government associates with, for he is of beneficial to his community, the state, and beyond, urging him to keep the temple while praying for God's blessings on him. On his part, the celebrant, Ozo Ekweozor, who also holds other titles, said the Igbo Owulu is a symbol of one being qualified as Oze Ebetete title with 2 additional feathers on his red cap, making it 4, which made him to be qualified anywhere in Ebetete Kingdom to be presented as Ozo titled man, of which without Igbo Owulu, Ozo title is incomplete as it is not given to anybody without good attributes. Dr. Eugene Nweke, the media director to the celebrant, Mr. Kasmia Umuawulu, and High Chief Ijofo Onebunne, among others, also spoke at the ceremony from Umuawulu, Njideka Okoye, ABS News.